Hello, I am SJ from What the Trig Math, and we are looking at mathwhiteboard.com. And we're going to dive in and have a look at graphs now today. So we can click the insert and insert graph, and it will insert a graph for us. And if we had a table, it would toggle those values in. But I'm thinking more about students exploring the old y equals mx plus c. So I'm going to get rid of that one, and I'm going to write in y equals mx plus c. Now I've done that x badly, let's see if it picks it up. Oh, it has, super. So there's my equation of a line if you want. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a curved motion from underneath it, just using my finger. And as ever, I am using my finger on a touchscreen basic-ish Chromebook. Nothing fancy going on here. Just going to do a curved moment like that. And there you go, that is the graph. So if I undo that, because it was a little bit quick, just a little curve motion like that, and there we go, there's the graph. And then we can start exploring the values in it. So I'm going to clear all this off, and using my favourite motion, which is scribble, and it will just erase, and we will dive in with some proper equations of line segments. So I'm going to pop on then y equals 2x plus 5. Let it read that. Okay, I'm going to do that sweeping curved motion again, like this. And there's the graph. So you can see it's got the label as well. Sorry, it's just a bit underneath there. So you can see y equals 2x plus 5. And now if I hit the table, those values appear in there too. So you can see that the c-intercept there is at 5. So you can start exploring the intercept with students as well. But what if we go back to y equals mx plus c? And what if we're wanting students to explore what happens when we change the m value, what happens when we change the c value? So I'm going to give it some values here. I'm going to say m equals 3 and I'm going to say c equals 2. Now it's got those values. If I do that swooping curve motion again, you will see there is my graph. So you can see that I've got my c-intercept as 2, and if I click table, I can start to explore the values when m is 3 and what changes to those x values to get those y values there. So a fantastic feature of Math Whiteboard is the graphing feature.